A small hand, trembling slightly, dropped a shining gold coin into a weathered, outstretched palm. It was young Ali, a boy from the poorest part of the village, and this single coin was his most treasured possession. He had found it gleaming in the dusty path just that morning, a stroke of unbelievable luck. Ali had dreamt of buying flour and vegetables for his family, who hadn't eaten a proper meal in days. But then he saw her, an old woman, frail and shivering, her eyes hollow with hunger, begging by the market. His heart ached, torn between his family's desperate need and the even more profound suffering before him. With a deep breath, he made his choice, gently placing his only treasure into her waiting hand. The old woman gasped, tears welling up as she blessed the kind boy, overwhelmed by his unexpected generosity. Ali walked home, his pockets empty but his heart surprisingly light and filled with a quiet peace. That evening, a neighbor, moved by a sudden urge, brought a warm, generous meal to Ali's humble home, a true blessing. True wealth is not in what you possess, but in the kindness you share and the hearts you touch.
एक भारी बोरी एक बुजुर्ग शख्स के हाथों से फिसल गई और उसका सारा सामान भरी गिल्ली में गिर गया। बहुत से लोग बेहिस्सी से गुजर गए मगर अली नामी एक नौजवान लड़का रुक गया, इसकी आंखों में फिक्रमंदी थी। अली झक गया, एहतियात से बिखरे हुए माल्टे उठाकर वापस पुरानी फटी हुई बोरी में रखने लगा। थके हारे और कमजोर बुजुर्ग ने धीरे से शुक्रिया अदा किया, आंखों में आंसू थे, और अपना तारुफ अंकल रहमत के तौर पर कराया। ये देखकर कि बोरी अभी भी बहुत भारी है, अली ने अंकल रहमत के छोटे से घर तक, जो शहर के किनारे पर था, कुछ दूर बोरी उठाने की पेशकश की। वो धीरे धीरे चलते रहे, अपनी दिन भर की बातें करते रहे, और दोनों गैर मुतवक्के साथियों के दरमियान एक ताल्लुक बनना शुरू हो गया। कई महीनों बाद एक शदीद तूफान शहर से टकराया, जिसने बहुत से घरों को नुकसान पहुंचाया, जिनमें अली का छोटा सा घर भी शामिल था। अंकल रहमत अली की मुश्किल के बारे में सुनकर अपने कम वसाइल के बावजूद औजार और कुछ सामान लेकर पहुंच गए। उन्होंने दूसरे पड़ोसियों को इकट्ठा किया, अली की साबिका मेहरबानी की कहानियां सुनाई, और सब ने मिलकर अली का घर दोबारा बनाने में मदद की। अली ने शुक्रगुजारी से मगलूब होकर देखा, ये समझ गया कि इसकी छोटी सी मेहरबानी 10 गन्ना होकर उसके पास वापस आ गई थी। मेहरबानी चाहे कितनी ही छोटी क्यों ना हो, जब हमें सबसे ज्यादा जरूरत होती है तो वो किसी न किसी तरह हमारे पास वापस आ जाती है।
A young man, face streaked with panic, watches his precious sack of grain burst open on the bustling market street. Golden kernels scatter everywhere amidst the hurried footsteps. An elderly shopkeeper, Rahim Chacha, silently kneels beside him, helping gather the scattered grains. His gentle hands work quickly, without a word of reproach. The young man, Ahmed, was a poor daily wage laborer, and that small sack was his family's only meal for the day. Despair had gripped his heart. Seeing Ahmed's plight, Rahim Chacha gave him a full sack of grain from his own shop, refusing any payment. "It's a gift from my heart," he said kindly. Years turned into decades. Ahmed, through sheer perseverance and hard work, transformed from a poor laborer into a successful and respected merchant in the same town. One afternoon, Ahmed noticed Rahim Chacha's once vibrant shop looking desolate and dilapidated. The old man himself appeared frail and weary. He learned that Rahim Chacha's business had failed due to illness and bad luck, leaving him struggling to survive. His good fortune had abandoned him. Ahmed approached the shop, and Rahim Chacha, with failing eyesight, barely recognized the prosperous gentleman standing before him. The memory was faint. Ahmed then revealed his identity and, recalling the profound kindness, offered to buy Rahim Chacha's failing shop for a price far exceeding its actual worth. It was an act of pure gratitude. He also arranged a generous lifelong pension for Rahim Chacha, ensuring his old benefactor would live comfortably and peacefully, free from any financial worry. True gratitude is not just a fleeting feeling, but a powerful action that remembers kindness and seeks to repay it selflessly.